3-minute thesis competition allows students to be able to practice their skills so that they can talk to a general audience or a specialized audience, because as they leave Texas Tech and pursue their career, they'll be able to present their work in a way that allows them to communicate what they do, how they did it, and why it's important in a way that anybody can understand.
I think the advantages of them competing in our 3-minute competition is that we are preparing them for their regional competitions. We're going by the rules that are set in the regional area also, and so it's helping them prepare for the next step of their research.
The 3-minute thesis, I believe, is a very good avenue for you to be able to convey your message to a general audience, because in real life situations you don't have all the time and you have to be able to communicate what you're doing. So I believe it's a good avenue to be able to, reach precision in communicating their work.
It's incredible to see how people can summarize their research in 3 minutes. It may be a work of master's degree of 3 years or PhD degree of 5 or 6 years. That's an art, and this is a thing that you should learn as a graduate student. If you're writing a grant, if you're writing a proposal, or if you're writing for any funding agencies, you have to give them something in general, because people who are evaluating will not be all of them from your specialized field.
The first place prize winner for the 3-minute thesis competition for this 2023 season, and that is Benjamin Madura.
It's hard to, whenever you're very passionate about something and you are learning about that on a day-to-day basis, to try and condense everything that you know about your project down into such a small time frame. Overall, I'm just very excited. I'm excited to represent Texas Tech. I'm excited to represent my lab at regionals. I want to thank my mentor, Dr. Naima Mustaid Musa, and everyone in the NIOR lab here at Texas Tech. And
when you are presenting to an audience, the major question comes why are you even doing this research? What's the impact of this for the society or for the community you're doing, or maybe for the world?
I think that this is kind of the most important part of being able to explain your research, is being able to explain it quickly, being able to explain it clearly to people that aren't necessarily in your field. If you can't explain your research to other people, they may not necessarily care about it. You have to be able to convey that to other people that may not necessarily understand everything that you're doing.
I would say I want to thank grad school for this opportunity. It's more like a training process for grad students. If we don't have something like this, we may not be able to hone our presentation skills and public speaking skills. So I think it's a good one from the grad school, and they should keep it up.